We'll guide you through how to tie a knot in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Blender on your desktop to begin the modeling process. Select all objects in the scene by pressing A, then delete them by pressing X to start with a clean workspace. Next, press Shift and A to open the Add menu. Then go to the Mesh section and choose Torus to add it to the project. After that, press Numpad 1 to switch to Front View and extend the menu on the bottom left. In this menu, choose Align to view and adjust settings such as the major segments if needed. Select the torus again, right-click on it, and press Shade Smooth to improve its appearance. Then press Z and choose Wireframe View, and press Tab to go into edit mode. Select all the vertices on the right top part of the torus. After that, press X and choose Vertices to delete them. Now select the vertices on the top and extrude them by pressing E, then rotate them to form a smooth curve. After that, select the same section again and extrude them by pressing E once more, making the shape longer. Next, select the other half of the vertices and press Ctrl and Numpad Plus to expand the selection. Go to the top menu and press the Proportional Editing Objects button to enable smoother transformations. Press Numpad 7 for top view. Then start moving the selected vertices by pressing G and Y to adjust their position. To deselect parts, press Ctrl and Numpad minus. Continue modeling and refining the shape until it looks correct. Once you are done, press Z and choose Solid View. Then press Tab to exit edit mode. Use the middle mouse button to review the model. Next, press Shift and D to duplicate the object, then move it along the Y-axis by pressing Y. Rotate it by pressing R and X, then type 180. Continue by rotating on the Z-axis with R, Z, and 90. Position it so both shapes meet like a knot. Then press Shift to select both objects and press Ctrl and J to merge them. Press Tab, then Z, and choose Wireframe View again. Select both edge loops, press 2, right-click, and choose Bridge Edge Loops. Finally, review the completed model carefully.